Hello everyone, welcome to Exot Solutions. In previous video we see rectangle command. If you have any query related to that, you can ask me in comment section and I will make sure I will give suitable answer to that. In this video we are going to see next command from profile creation toolbar. So let's get started. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see circle command separately and in more depth. So to start the new project, click on start, mechanical design, sketcher, press OK. After that, here at left side you have to select any one of these plane to go to sketcher environment. I am selecting XY plane and here this is our profile creation toolbar. In profile creation toolbar, the third number command is circle command. If you click down arrow of circle command, then you will find there will be different kinds of circle. According to your needs and situation, you can use them. The first circle is center point and radius circle. To draw the circle, just select circle, select center point and give radius and our circle will be drawn. This is the simple circle you can draw. As you can see, just select circle and this will be drawn. This is the simple. So the next circle is 3-point circle. To draw 3-point circle, you have to select 3 points on window and our circle will be drawn. For example, I will show you point 1, point 2 and point 3. This is our circle will be drawn. Let me show you where it exactly use. If you are having triangular shape like this, and you want circle in between these 3 lines, then just select 3-point circle, click point 1, point 2 and point 3 and our circle will be drawn. This is the 3-point circle. You can use it as per your situation. The next circle is circle using coordinates. If you know the coordinates of circle, then you can use circle using coordinates. But first you have to define center point by giving horizontal and vertical values. For example, I will give 0 horizontal and 0 vertical and the radius of circle will be 50. As you can see, our circle will be drawn at the center because we give horizontal and vertical values 0 0. But if you want circle from if you want circle away from the center point, then just change the values. For example, I will give horizontal 50 and vertical 12 and the radius of the circle will be 50. Press OK. As you can see, our circle will be drawn away from the center and which dimension we will give, it will show here. So this is the circle using coordinate system. The next circle is triangle circle. The triangle circle is nothing but if you have 3 lines like this, and you want circle tangent to these 3 lines, then just select triangle circle, click line 1, line 2 and line 3 and as you can see our circle will be drawn and which is tangent to these 3 lines. You can also use this circle to different way. The next circle is 3-point arc. To draw 3-point arc, you have to just provide 2 corner end. For example, I will show, just select point 1, point 2 and your arc will be drawn. So this is the 3-point arc. Just provide 2 corner end and arc will be drawn. The next thing is 3-point arc starting with limits. So this is the similar to 3-point arc, but in this you have to provide limits. For example, I will show you. If you have 3 points like this, So if you select 3 points starting with limits, so just give starting limit, end limit, and the point through which arc goes, and our arc will be drawn. So this is the 3-point arc using limits. The last command is arc. So this is the simple way to draw arc. Just select center point and draw arc. As you can see, the arc will be drawn. Just select circle and draw arc. It will be helpful to draw arc like this simple way. This is the circle command. We will see the further command in next video.